Hello everyone, this is Vinita Tiwari and today I am just welcoming you on the online classes of economics. Dear friends, yesterday we have discussed about the concept of domestic territory. We will discuss another most important topic of the macroeconomics, that is normal resident. Today's topic is normal resident. Normal resident of a country refers to an individual or an institution who ordinarily resides in the country and whose center of economic interest also lies in the same country. It simply means that if a person is living in a country and he is earning, spending, and accumulating his income over the over the various activities which is carried inside the same country, those persons are included in concept of normal resident. Here the point used to come, that is center of economic interest. This is the point where we will discuss about the two concepts including in the economic interest. First, the resident lives or is located within domestic territory. Yesterday or in previous video we have discussed about the domestic territory. If the person is living or residing in the domestic territory, and the second thing, the resident earnings carries out basic economic activities of earning, spending, and accumulation from that location. Simply means that center of economic interest include the residential beneficiaries of a person and his activities done by him. For example, earnings, it means a person is doing some economic activities or involved in any other type of activities and earning income. This is also a center of economic interest. Okay, now we will discuss about various categories not included in the normal resident. What are the various categories? The first is foreign, tourist and visitors. As you know friends, that foreign tourists used to come for a time of small time of period. They used to come for tourist activities. They used to roam here and there. They used to admire the culture, the heritage and the various religious activities and inspire them. So these are the persons who are not included in normal resident. Second, foreign staff of embassies, officials, diplomats and members of the armed forces of a foreign countries. Second, yes, in the previous video we have discussed about embassies, that embassies of other countries lying in our country, that will be the part of their domestic territory, not in our domestic territory. So similarly, the foreign staff working in embassies, officials, diplomats, when they are the members belonging to a foreign country, then they will be not included in the normal resident of our country. Suppose in the European embassies in our country, if the foreign members are doing work in that embassies, then they will be not included in the normal resident of India. Next one is international organization like UNO, WHO, etc. If these international organizations are having their branches in our country, then the people working in that branches will not be included as a normal resident of our country. Next one is, fourth one is employers of international organization. Employees means the person who are working in the international organization like WHO and UNO. If they are belonging to other country other than India, then they will be not included in the normal resident of our country. Fifth one is crew members of foreign vessels, commercial travelers and seasonal workers. Here we can see that crew members are the members who used to work on the ships. So they used to stay in an area for more less than 1 year. So the person who are staying in an area or in a location less than 1 year, then they will be not included as a normal resident of our area. Correct? And the last one is border workers. Border workers are those workers who used to stay in one country and they used to go for economic activities in the another countries. Let us take an example of the people who are working on the border of India and Pakistan. Suppose the people are staying in the border inside the border of India and they used to travel towards Pakistan for the economic activities, then these type of border workers are not included in normal resident of the country where they used to work. For example, we can take, suppose Ravi belongs to India. He belongs to India, used to go Pakistan for doing work. Here he is the resident of India. Why? Because he is living in the country called India and going for work in Pakistan. Here we have discussed 2 points, that is the resident living in an area or in a domestic territory and his earnings or his economic interest lies in the same country. But here the example of Ravi represent that he is a resident of India and used to go for work in Pakistan, but by the end of the day he used to come back to India. It means he is residing in India and the citizen of the country. So these are known as border workers. So these are not included in the normal resident where they used to work. In the next topic, we will discuss about the citizenship and residentship. See here, citizenship, it is basically a legal concept. What it is? It is a legal concept. Here, the person get citizenship by birth. It means if the person has taken birth in a country, then he will be the citizen of that country automatically. Suppose we have taken birth in our country, that is India, then we are the citizen of India by birth. Second, by application. If anyone wants to become a citizen of a country, then he or she can apply for the citizenship to the government. It involves government, that is why it is called as legal concept. These 3 points are clear. Now we will come to the residentship. This is economic concept. Which concept it is? Economic concept. It simply means that the person who is living in an area for the center of economic interest will be included in residentship. Second thing, here we have discussed about the citizenship by birth. We can get citizenship. Here how can we can get the residentship? By living in an area for more than 1 year. If the person is living in an area for more than 1 year, then automatically he get the residentship of that area. Okay. Now the second one is, here we have discussed by application we can get the citizenship. Here, if the center of economic activities, center of economic interest also lies in the same country. Here we can say that the person who is living in any country for more than 1 year will be the normal resident of that country. At the same time, he will be the citizen of the country where he has taken the birth. For example, if a person A has taken birth in China, then by birth he is having the citizenship of China. and working in India. He is working in India for more than 1 year. For more than 1 year. Then he will be the citizen of China and the normal resident of India. So here we have discussed about the normal resident, citizenship and residentship. For more videos, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day.